What's going on, people? Back at it again with another amazing video. Today's video, I'm going to talk about an APK called Live Lounge. It's a pretty good application. It has live TV, has TV shows, movies, and pretty much a lot of stuff that you desire. So let's stop talking and let me show you how this works. I'm going to go into it. And this is a modified version. It's a 7.0.2. It's unlocked by Cyclone 420. Really good modder. When you open the app up for the first time, it's gonna ask you for a pin code, so that your kids, you could put a pin code and your kids won't get into it. Or honestly, just put anything. I just put 41111 or whatever you want to put down, and all you do is you click down to set pin. There you go, and that's pretty much it. Okay. So this is user friendly for the Fire Stick. You have your favorite sections, the sports schedule. Go into that. There you go. You have your scheduled times. Let me see if you click into it if you want, and then it actually play. There you go. See how you got live boxing, hooker, and this guy, Toronto Raptors, and let me go into that. Well, it's pretty good. I honestly like it. Now, as in pure HD, I honestly don't think it has pure HD. It's like a decent quality, like standard definition. You also have sports, Sky Sports. You also have BT Sports, Eurosports. Now this one here, click into that. You see that you got your many channels to choose from. Okay. Oop, I backed all the way out. Sorry about that. It's a pretty clean app. It's pretty quick. I like it. Check it out. See if you guys like it. Now, the World IPTV is basically like live TV channels around the world. Let me click USA. There you go. You have all these channels. Let me click into one. AMC. Give it a second. And it starts up pretty darn quick, too. Now, what I did notice, though, on the channels on the IPTV, they're pretty clear. Like, really clear. You have your kids channels, TV channels. Then you have your search movies. You can search movies, which I kind of like it on this one. It's pretty quick when it searches it. So, and then you got cinema and movie section, and search series, and then recent added series. So let's go into the movie section, and you have all these pretty much here. And you could go to the next page, and it'll keep going. But just to show you how this works, let's go into this one right here. Click that, and then it's going to pull this up. Then you're going to click play movie. Then it gives you three options. So I usually open load, so give it a second. If it doesn't work right away, as in this one here, you see how it just keeps rotating? Most of the time it starts right up. See, so open load didn't work. Don't freak out, just choose a different link. And there you go. You see how it comes up real quick? And the movie should start playing. Give it a second. And also, too, I'm going to let you know something. The one downfall I did notice, okay, there you go. The one thing I did notice is that it doesn't tell you if it's HD quality or if it's, 1080 or if it's even like a camera copy. It doesn't say that. So you're kind of taking a gamble in a sense to see if you're watching like really good quality. Let me back out of that. But also, just so you know, you could go to the main sub menu right there. You click that, and you have everything pretty much here. Okay, and you could search it there. It's really pretty nice and clean. I like this APK. Also there you go. You can see you don't have to log in, to be honest with you, because it's already unlocked. So, and like I said, it's unlocked by Cyclone 420, a really good guy. So basically, that's Live Lounge. It's a pretty good APK. If you guys liked it, check it out. Now, I'm going to show you how you get it. Real simple. It's in my channel's APK store. If you don't have Firelink, the links are down below of how to get it. And if you guys do have it or already downloaded it, Firelink, all you have to do from that point is just open it up. Give it a second. And it's going to prompt you to where it says like your code or enter code. Is just enter this in. my channel's APK number is 645-39676. Once you have that entered, you're gonna hit continue. Then this is just a welcome screen, just letting you know I don't owe any of these. I do reviews only. There you go. Live Lounge 702. And usually I put the date so that lets you guys know I just uploaded those. Okay? So to download it, you see how it's the download button? You're going to click that download button. Okay? Once it downloads, you see how it turns into a play button? Hit that play button. Then all you do from that point is hit install. Once you install it, it's going to say, and it's completely done, it's going to say done and open. And all you have to do from there is just open it up and you're good to go. Okay? Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and share my channel as well as my video. And also, I have a support group that you guys could check out. I have the links down below for the Facebook as well as the Twitter. Okay? So, hope you guys enjoyed and have a great evening.